Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a cervical mass. Cervical fibroids myoma start in the muscle tissue of the cervix. They are similar to uterine fibroids but less common. Cervical fibroids may not cause symptoms. The most common symptoms is abnormal vaginal bleeding. Pain during intercourse may happen. In most cases, bumps on the cervix are benign or non-cancerous. Growths such as polyps or cysts, in some cases, however, they may indicate the presence of cervical cancer. A doctor might discover a bump on the cervix during a routine pelvic examination or a pap smear test. You can see the uterus, and a mass is seen in the cervix. You can see an ill-defined non-homogeneous mass in the cervix. Now, the early warning signs of cervical cancer are: when present, common symptoms of a tumor that develop in the cervix may include vaginal bleeding, including bleeding between periods, after sexual intercourse, or post-menopausal bleeding, unusual vaginal discharge, which may be watery, pink, or foul smelling, and pelvic pain. Again, you can see the mass in the cervix, and the mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency, is round to oval in shape. No fluid is seen. You will see some cervical and vaginal discharges. Depending on whether you are in your menstrual cycle, your cervical fluid may range from pasty white to clear and stretchy egg white texture. The cervix itself may be pink and smooth, or it may be uneven, rough, or splotchy. All of these are normal. Polyps are fragile structures that grow from stalks rooted on the surface of the cervix or inside the cervical canal. Polyps can also are also common during pregnancy. This may occur due to an increase in the hormone estrogen. Cervical polyps are usually benign and not cancerous, and cervical cancer rarely arises from them. Cervical cancer is more aggressive when human papillovirus is not detected. Cervical cancer negative for the human papillovirus is rare but more aggressive. It is more frequently diagnosed at advanced stages with more metastasis and reduced survival. By using a speculum, flashlight, and mirror, a woman can observe her own cervix and natural discharge that can occur over time. Self-examination enables her to see a vital part of her anatomy and monitor changes, secretions, menstrual cycles, and indicators for fertile time. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.